After so many days, when Mumbai police did nothing concrete in the case, then father of Sushant Singh Rajput lodged an FIR before the Bihar police. He alleged that his son might have died because of Riya Chakravarti, and the FIR under sections pertaining to abetment of suicide was lodged against Riya Chakravarti, her family members, including her brother. Uh, the case became political. Bihar police went to Mumbai. Mumbai police and the authorities in Mumbai, they were not allowing Bihar police to investigate the case, after which center intervened. The matter went to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court ordered an FIR by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and hence the CBI started investigating the case. When CBI started investigating the case, then I flew along with the CBI team to Mumbai to cover this case. The proceedings and investigations by the officers of Central Bureau of Investigation, and when they started investigating, first day they went to the apartment where Sushant Singh Rajput died. Along with the forensic experts and doctors of AIMS, they recreated the crime scene, and when the crime scene was being recreated, it was done in a manner to conclude that was it possible for Sushant Singh Rajput to commit suicide because he had a good height. The distance between the ceiling fan and the bed was not much. So, was it possible for Sushant Singh Rajput to commit suicide? During their investigation, they called Riya Chakravarti for almost 2-3 days. They recorded her statement. Riya Chakravarti's brother was called, her mother, father, everyone was called for the investigation. Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj, and Keshav were questioned for more than 11 days. And what I was told by the CBI officials, that all four people, Siddharth Pithani, Samuel Miranda, Keshav, and Neeraj, they were asked in 4 different rooms, and CBI used all tricks to make sure that if anyone is lying, because what CBI was suspecting, that if Sushant Singh Rajput's death case is a case of murder, then either one person or all of them conspired together. So they are aware of the facts. They were questioned in 4 different rooms for 11 days. Then they were brought together. Again, they were questioned. The ambulance driver was questioned. The managers of Cornerstone were questioned. Everyone was questioned in the case. Unofficially, they also looked at the Disha Salian case, whether it had any connection with Sushant Singh Rajput death case or not. So all these aspects were, investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation. They also collected evidence from the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. So this was what the CBI investigated. Then CBI sent the viscera and other fluids of Sushant Singh Rajput's body to the doctors of AIMS for an expert opinion. There is a forensic wing in AIMS hospital, so they sought help from the doctors of AIMS, and they were asked to give their report. What the findings were, I will tell you later. Now, what ED did, Enforcement Directorate lodged another case on the allegations that rupees 15 crore rupees was siphoned off by Riya Chakravarti belonging to Sushant Singh Rajput, Sushant Singh Rajput's bank account. Since 2017, it was analyzed. Riya Chakravarti entered into life of Sushant Singh Rajput. In 2019, both the accounts of Riya Chakravarti was compared, that was there any transaction which was unusual. They also tried to look into the accounts of 3 companies belonging to Sushant Singh Rajput, and Riya Chakravarti and her brother, they were directors in the company. So they looked at the business. There was another company based out of Gurgaon. They also looked at the accounts of those companies, and overall money laundering angle was being brought by the Enforcement Directorate. But when they were going through the chat records of Riya Chakravarti's cell phone, they got to know about the drug chats. So there were chats between Riya Chakravarti and other people where they were talking about drugs. Riya Chakravarti's brother was talking about drugs, and Neeraj and Siddharth Pithani were also talking about drugs. So this information was passed on to Narcotics Control Bureau, and when Narcotics Control Bureau started investigating the case, they got hold of these chats, WhatsApp chats between Riya Chakravarti and other people, and then they started investigating the matter. When they started investigating the matter, it was expanded to the entire Bollywood. Riya Chakravarti was called for 3 days. On third day, she was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Riya Chakravarti's brother was also arrested by Narcotics Control Bureau on charges of supplying drugs. Riya Chakravarti's brother was allegedly involved in peddling of drugs, and NCB during its investigation also found that the drugs were being procured by them, and then through Neeraj or other people, it was being passed on to Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming marijuana or not. Narcotics Control Bureau has not disclosed this yet, but in the statement of Siddharth Pithani, in the statement of Neeraj, in the statement of Riya Chakravarti and her brother, it appeared that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming drugs, and there were drug parties also. It was on the coastal line of Maharashtra. There is a house which Sushant Singh Rajput had rented, and there were other actors also which had gone to, who had gone to this place, and probably they were smoking marijuana. Later on, when the probe expanded, then Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet, they were also called in for questioning. They were also questioned. But what happened in the case? That is a bigger question. All three central agencies, one state police, that is Mumbai police, another state police, Bihar police, no one was able to conclude that what happened. So the most important turn in this case took when the AIIMS doctors submitted their findings, and I broke the story on India Today and Aaj Tak. And what the AIIMS doctors told Central Bureau of Investigation, that around 10:15, 10:30, Sushant Singh Rajput might have committed suicide. There is no foul play, and it's a case of suicide. Now, this was what the doctors of AIIMS told the Central Bureau of Investigation. Again, the question was whether CBI should go by what the AIIMS doctors were saying, or they should go by the public sentiments, because there is a lot of public sentiment. There are many people who believe that Sushant Singh Rajput could not have committed suicide. Then the Central Bureau of Investigation started looking at the psychiatrist analysis of Sushant Singh Rajput to understand what might have been going through the mind of Sushant Singh Rajput. So they called up the doctors who had earlier treated Sushant Singh Rajput since 2013. 5 doctors were called in by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Independent doctors were also called by the Central Bureau of Investigation to understand, and they found that Sushant Singh Rajput was suffering from anxiety. He was taking medicines for anxiety, depression, and till date CBI has not concluded their investigation. Officially, they gave a statement today saying that it is wrong to say that CBI has closed the case. All the aspects are being looked into, and the investigation in this case is on from all angles. This is what the CBI officially maintains. It means that CBI has still not ruled out the possibility of murder. They have not ruled out whether Riya Chakravarti was responsible behind Sushant Singh Rajput committing suicide, and also the most important fact, role of other people in this case, because many people are only focusing on Riya Chakravarti, but remember there were 3 more people staying with Sushant Singh Rajput in the same apartment. So CBI has not concluded the case, and I, along with millions and billions of other people, I believe and we believe that justice will be served, whatever is the truth, whether he was killed, whether he committed suicide, whatever is the truth, it should come out in black and white before the public. So far, CBI has not even arrested Riya Chakravarti. If they want to make a case of abatement of suicide against Riya Chakravarti, they have not even arrested Riya Chakravarti. But sources have told me that CBI has not got any concrete evidence against Riya Chakravarti, and because Riya Chakravarti had blocked Sushant Singh Rajput on June 9, 2020, she was possibly not involved in killing Sushant Singh Rajput, but whether it affected Sushant Singh Rajput mentally, because of which he might have committed suicide, that aspect is still being looked into, and this is going to be, my friends, very important. Now there are two options for the Central Bureau of Investigation: to file a charge sheet in the case or to file a closure report. If they are filing a charge sheet, then it is possible that they will charge Riya Chakravarti with abatement of suicide, but till date they have not found any evidence or any concrete evidence in the case. The second possibility is to file a closure report terming this accident as death as suicide or accidental death. Now, what about the Enforcement Directorate? I met an officer today of the Enforcement Directorate who was investigating the case, and what he told me that during their investigation they went through the records of Riya Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput, the bank balance, everything, but they were unable to find any evidence of money laundering or siphoning of money. Riya Chakravarti was gifted valuable items by Sushant Singh Rajput, but there can't be any case because Sushant Singh Rajput was a mature person. He was not a minor, he was a major, and due to which no case can be made against Riya Chakravarti, and hence there is no charge sheet by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, as far as NCB is concerned, NCB is still probing the case, but it is in the drug case. Now, the case will go for trial against Riya Chakravarti, Riya's brother Shavik Chakravarti, and others in this case, including Siddharth Pithani. But so far, they have not concluded that because of the drugs given by Riya Chakravarti, Sushant Singh Rajput died. This concrete line has not been given by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now, whatever is expected in the case is from the Central Bureau of Investigation, and we hope that soon CBI will file its report before the court, so that everyone, all the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput will get justice in the case. Thank you so much for watching this. From tomorrow I'll be back with the routine stories, some interesting crime stories. If you want me to tell any story, then please let me know in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to share that story. Thank you so much.